Hello everybody, welcome back. So as you can see from the chart, what an absolutely crazy night. We've had a huge drop in the market and it was very probable. We are in a very strong downtrend at the moment. I did take a trade right on the open. Unfortunately, it seems that there's just a lot of stuff that goes on at the moment, but I was just about to start YouTube and I couldn't get my camera started. And it took me about an extra 5-10 minutes to get everything done. So by the time the market opened, I was literally just logging on and there was a trade in the first 30 seconds. I managed to take part of the trade. I did take it on a 30-second chart. So the chart that I took here was the Dow, and that was it on the open there. So I took that bar. It was actually a little bit too late. I was going to get in a little bit earlier down here, but you can see it's above purple after a pullback. Went into profit. I took what's called a PPT, so it was a fairly quick profit. But after that, you can just see we've had this full move down here. Looking at the NASDAQ, trying to find an entry all night throughout here. We had this move just beforehand. We had this drop. There was a possibility of this here, but it was way too far into the move. So erred on the side of caution, and we've just had this drift. And for the past, 2.5-3 hours, you can see we've just been going sideways throughout here. So if I go to a larger time frame, you'll see pretty easily what's happened here. You've got a high and a lower high, so it's clearly downtrending. Long-term momentum is down as well. So this is not a big surprise. This is a trade with the trend. It's not a, oh my God, this is a collapse, this is a crash, this is completely out of the blue. You go down to the 1 hour chart. We had this really strong move here. It actually repeated exactly the same move as over here. So strong on the way down, slow on the way up, lower high, below long term, and there's the move. So, as I said, we've done a lot of price here. We do have inflation figures out tomorrow. What that's going to do, we could go all the way down to this level here. It could be that volatile and go all the way down to that level there. You can see on the daily chart, if we did go down to there, I think that would be pretty amazing because I think we get a move back up from there. But you can clearly see on this daily chart as well, we've turned over. It took us, at least 2 weeks to do this and 4 days to take out 3/4 of it. So downside is definitely strong. We're not getting a Christmas rally. You can certainly see it's not a Christmas rally. But good news, account is green. 3 days, 3 trades. Starting to feel a lot more comfortable. I'm not going to put any pressure on myself to pass this evaluation in any single time frame. I think I can do it fairly quickly, possibly by the end of the week, but we'll see. And remembering that this is an evaluation, or it's like a practice for a fully funded account. So I'm not just going to take 5 contracts and try and quickly get a quick profit and try and pass the account like that. It just doesn't work. So again, another positive in the green, 3 trades, 3 wins, 0 losses on this eval. So we'll just keep going. And we've still got a couple of days to go. Very, very big day tomorrow. Lots of volatility with those inflation figures out. So we'll do tomorrow. I'll be there on the open, a couple of minutes before the open. We'll have the inflation figures before the open. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. So come and watch me tomorrow. Thank you for your support. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow.